Hello all. In this video, we're going to see what Dataflow Gen2 is and how to do data transformations with Dataflow Gen2. Dataflow Gen2 is a data transformation engine in Fabric which allows us to build scalable data pipelines with no code or low code interface. It integrates closely with Power Query, Lakehouses, and OneLake. The experience is very similar to Power Query. And when it comes to writing the data, we can write the data directly as delta tables in the Lakehouse. Now let's look at a practical hands-on on how to do data transformations using Dataflow Gen2. I'm here on my Fabric landing page. I'm going to my workspaces, DP-700, click on new item, search for Dataflow Gen2. Let's keep the name as it is, Dataflow 1, create. Now, if you have any experience in Power Query, you could find the interface very similar to that. Add a default destination, import from Excel, import from SQL Server, import from a text or CSV file, import from data flows. So all these are different options. Or you can go here at the top left, get data, and click on more, go to OneLake catalog, raw lakehouse. Here you could see the file structure. Go to files, raw data CSV, customers dataset, click on this, click create. This is the tabular view of the data. Let me zoom it a bit. You have different tabs here: home, transform, add column, view, help. Now if you go to transform, you could use all these different options to transform the data. Reverse the rows, use first row as headers, group by data type. You could change the data type of columns, rename the columns, pivot, unpivot. All these options you could use to transform the data. Now whatever transformation you do here will be reflected here in the query setting properties. There is also one more pane here which talks about the dataset. First I want to use first row as headers. Click this, use first row as headers. You could see the first row has become the header. Now the same thing is getting reflected here in the query settings. Now if you want to undo this step, you could just go here and click on the cross and that step will be removed from the transformations. It's as simple as that. Next is to change the data type. You could do it here itself. You could see ABC, ABC 1, 2, 3 beside each column name. That is an indication of the column data type. Now if you click on this 1, 2, 3, let's say, you could see all the different data types. Let's say I want to convert it to text. You could do that by just clicking this. Now I want to add as a new step, so that is changed to text data type. Let's say for this column I'm selecting this column and I want to replace all the spaces in the names to underscores. To do that, right click, you'll see different options. Replace values. There is a basic and advanced. Value to find is a space, replace with underscore. Click OK, and you could see all the spaces are replaced with underscores. So all these different transformations can be done in Dataflow. If you go to the view tab, there is an option to view the whole thing as a diagram. So I'm clicking on the diagram view. You could see whatever transformations you are seeing here in the query settings, those are reflected here. It's a nice visual representation of the steps we are doing. If you want to perform a new task, just click on this plus button. You could, let's say, convert to uppercase. The customer city is now converted to uppercase. Okay, you could minimize it, you could maximize it. We could also do merging or inner joins or outer joins here itself. Let me show you that. Go to home, get some new data. I'm going to get the new data from the same lakehouse, raw lakehouse. This time I want the orders dataset, create. So this is my orders dataset. Here also the first row should be made as a header. Click here, search for use first row as headers, and that will be done. You see the first row is changed to headers. Now let's merge these two. To merge it, just go anywhere, click on plus, merge queries or merge queries as new. Merge queries as new. The left table is customers dataset, right table is orders dataset, and the common column is customer ID, I'm selecting on both the tables and the join kind is inner join. Click OK. Could see this merge query here, and this is the final table of the merge query. Now, if you look at the last column, orders dataset CSV, this is the table. All the different columns are here, but if you click on this left arrow, right arrow, you could select which columns you want in the final merge query. So I'm clicking on that and selecting order status, order ID, order purchase timestamp, order delivered, customer date. Only these four columns. So only those four columns will be reflected in the final merge query. Again, the steps, whatever you performed on this merge query will be reflected here in the query settings. Now, once you're done, once your transformations are done, you could load the data into the lakehouse or warehouse anywhere you want. Now you could see here data destination. So if I click on this plus button here, I could see different options: lakehouse, warehouse, SQL database, and so on. Clicking on more, I want to load the same lakehouse, and the final transformation will be saved as a delta table. This is one thing to be noted. So I'm clicking on one lake catalog. It should be raw lakehouse. Table name is customer orders. Click next. I'll use automatic settings, save settings. So my destination is selected finally, and I want to publish. So either you can publish now or you can publish later. You have two options. I want to publish now, so clicking on publish. So this is the data flow one. It is in progress. Let's go to the raw lake house. I got a notification, data flow submitted. Let's go to the tables. Click on refresh. So now you could see customer orders in the tables, which is a delta table. So the small triangle here means a delta table, and this is the result. Okay, that's how we use Dataflow Gen2 to do transformations on our data. Oh, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.